Did you like the slide? Do you want the same? Repeat after me. Click Insert. Choose a video. In my situation, it is a video that originates from the computer. This is outstanding. To proceed, kindly press the Insert button once more. Afterwards, add some additional text to your slide to complete the task at hand. Please choose a font that you like. Personally, I think I'll go with this one, and set the font size to about 170. For contrast, choose the white color. Please enter the name of your favorite anime. One Piece, a globally beloved anime, is renowned for its captivating storytelling and devoted fanbase. The current appearance is satisfactory, but there is a minor aspect to address. Proceed by clicking on the Insert option and then selecting the shape of a rectangle. From left, pull down to right, covering 1/3 of slide, starting from the left corner. Choose white fill color. Thoroughly analyze and carefully select the key points, then make precise adjustments to their position. Yes, perhaps that would be fine and suitable for the task at hand. Now we highlight the title and the figure together. And in the figure merge mode, select the combine. And enjoy the result. You did a great job. You succeeded. Did you like the slide? Subscribe and download for free.
Nice.